Hey everyone, this is Dr. Sapneil from Sapneil Tutoring Incorporated. Today from my desk we're going to be talking about how to start planning for college in 11th and 12th grade. So for 11th grade, these are some important things that you should be looking at. College planning tasks you can do before winter break, September to December. Make a list of what you're interested in studying and explore career ideas. Learn about the different colleges and schools and universities that you want to go to. Learn about where they are, what's their geographic location in accordance to where you live. What's the student body look like? What are some of the important majors and important departments within that university? What does the research look like in that university? And what are some of the typical career pathways after graduating from that university or college? Make an appointment with your counselor to ask about upcoming college fairs, college tours, campus tours, whether the school organizes something for an in-state campus tour. These are all important. Ask your counselor about taking the PSAT and being enrolled in the National Merit Scholarship qualifying exam, which is the PSAT, and how to become a National Merit Scholar. Really go onto the College Board site and look at major and career search tools that are there. Look at different tools and calculators that are on the College Board website. Register for AP exams. Know that above a 3 is a passing score, and know about different Bright Future scholarships, whether in the state of Florida or outside. There's different types of state scholarship programs. College planning tasks you should do before the school year ends. This is January to May. If you're in the military, apply for the ROTC scholarships. Explore schools by type, housing options, majors, sports activities, extracurriculars, sports associations. What's the student body look like? What does fraternity and sorority life look like on the campus? What does the alumni base look like on the campus? And what are important companies that recruit within the campus? Things you can do before the school year ends. When you start receiving acceptance letters and financial aid offers around mid-April of your junior year, in 11th grade year, start talking about housing options, start talking about financial aid packages, how to apply for mini scholarships and larger scholarships. If you're waitlisted or deferred, make sure you figure out a process for that. We'll have another video on deferred and waitlisted applicants and how to approach that. Take the AP exams you're registered for, even if it's in your junior year during sometime in May. Do the best that you can on them because you will get college credit for them. And make sure you ask your high school to send a final transcript to those colleges as well. So these are all things that you can do within your junior year. The next thing is going to be what you can do within college within your 12th grade year. So this is things you can do before winter break, July to December, and then we'll talk about December to basically May. Strengthen your college list and make sure it's balanced mix of at least 6 academic, safety, fit, and reach schools. Register for AP exams, stay organized, and keep a master calendar of all application deadlines on your phone as well as on a Google Drive. Take the SAT more than once until you get your accomplished goal. We can help you with that here, along with some of the other planning protocols for college application and college scholarships. Complete the FAFSA. We talked about this previously. By October 1st, or if there's a December deadline of that school year, make sure you complete it. Get ready for early decision, early action, and rolling admission deadlines. Keep a list of this on your phone as well as on a Google Drive where you can access it of all the colleges you're applying to. So these are the main tips for both 11th and 12th grade on what to look out for and how to best prepare yourself when you're applying for colleges and getting ready for any type of standardized exam. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to help you achieve your academic goals. Thank you.